and today we're making buffalo dill twice baked potatoes. When I go to sporting events, I show up for the food, and this is perfect for that. Oh my god, it's so good. It's part 33 of the Breaking Up a Dairy series, and you are definitely going to want to save this recipe for your next game day or even for your next meal prep. Breaking Up with Dairy is one of the best things that you can do for your heart health, your hormonal health, your skin health, and of course, your gut health. And in a world where dairy is everywhere, it can be pretty hard to avoid, which is why in this series, I'm committed to showing you bomb dairy-free recipes that you are going to love and make again and again. This recipe is super simple to whip together, and you can find the entire thing over on my blog. If you've ever wanted to go plant-based or just experiment with cooking with more plants, I am hosting a 14-day plant-based challenge starting on November 2nd. We've hosted thousands of people through these challenges before, and I can't wait to host another one again right before the holidays so we can feel our best. Head to my bio for more information and be sure to share this with a friend and follow for more.